All right, let's be real for a sec. You know you should be working on that assignment, hitting the gym, or finally starting that side hustle. But instead, you're watching YouTube, scrolling TikTok, and telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Sound familiar? Yeah, trust me, we've all been there. But here's the harsh truth. Motivation is unreliable. It's like that flaky friend who hypes you up to go out and then ghosts you last minute. If you're waiting to feel motivated before taking action, you're setting yourself up for failure. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build unstoppable discipline, even when you have zero motivation. Let's go! Here's the deal. Motivation feels amazing in the moment. You watch an inspiring speech, a fitness transformation, or a self-improvement video, and suddenly, you're ready to turn your life around. But give it a few hours, and boom, back to old habits. Why? Because motivation is emotional, it's temporary, it comes and goes. And the second life gets hard, your motivation bails on you. Ever sat down to do something, but the thought of it was so overwhelming that you just didn't? Yeah, that's because our brains hate discomfort. Here's how to cheat the system. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task feels too big, just commit to doing it for 2 minutes. That's it. Open the book and read 1 page, do 1 push-up, write 1 sentence. Your only job, start. Why does this work? Because once you're in motion, it's way easier to keep going. It's like tricking your brain into thinking, oh, this isn't so bad. Might as well keep going. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Okay, let's keep it 100. Most people say things like, I want to be fit or I want to be successful. But that's the wrong mindset. Instead, ask yourself, who do I want to become? Because when you shift your focus to identity, discipline becomes automatic. Example. Instead of saying, I want to work out, say, I am the kind of person who never skips a workout. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I am someone who is financially responsible. The moment you start identifying with the habits you want, your actions will start aligning. Let's talk about dopamine, the reason why we waste hours scrolling social media instead of doing what we know we should be doing. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical, and modern life is hijacking it. Every time you binge Netflix, check TikTok, or eat junk food, you get a quick dopamine hit. But here's the problem. These cheap dopamine hits make real work feel boring in comparison. Solution? Dopamine detox. Limit your time on instant gratification activities and rewire your brain to enjoy real progress. Here's a challenge for you. For the next 24 hours, cut out all unnecessary dopamine distractions. No social media, no junk food, no gaming. Then, watch how your focus skyrockets. If you struggle with consistency, this rule will change your life. It's called the No 0 Days rule. What's the rule? Simple. Every single day, do something, even small, that moves you forward. Doesn't matter if it's just 1 push-up, 1 sentence, or $1 saved. You just have to make some progress. Why does this work? Because momentum is everything. Consistency beats intensity every time. Last but not least, here's the ultimate mindset shift. Discipline is doing what you said you'd do, even when you don't feel like it. Successful people, they don't rely on motivation. They show up regardless of how they feel. The secret? Create a system where your emotions don't control your actions. Don't feel like working out? Do it anyway. Don't feel like working on your goals? Do it anyway. Because the moment you stop making decisions based on how you feel and start making them based on who you want to become, your life changes. All right, let's recap. If you want to build unstoppable discipline, stop relying on motivation. It's a scam. Use the 2-minute rule to start easily. Shift your focus to identity-based habits. Dopamine detox to rewire your brain. Follow the No 0 Days rule. Choose discipline over mood, always. Now here's your challenge. Drop a comment below and tell me 1 habit you're going to build starting today. And if you got value from this, hit that like button and subscribe for more self-improvement hacks. Remember, your future self is watching you. Don't let them down.